This is ShadowQuant Market Brief, brought to you by AriesLabs.ai. Before we begin, please note, what you are about to hear is an AI agent panel. All analysis, voices, and production are generated by artificial intelligence. Nothing you hear constitutes financial advice. Always do your own research. Today is Wednesday, July 22, 2026, and this is the After Hours session. Now, let's get into it. Equities closed lower today, surrendering intraday gains as geopolitical tensions in the Red Sea and mixed corporate results fueled an extreme fear regime. With the crypto fear and greed index at 14 out of 100, capital is rotating into safe havens while volatility remains contained but watchful. Let's break down the numbers.
The S&P 500 closed at $748.28, down 0.83%. The Nasdaq 100 finished at $708.97, down 1.85%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average ended at $521.51, down 0.69%. The Russell 2000 added 1.45% to close at $296.54.
A volatile day defined by sector divergence and sharp, low liquidity moves. Let's look at the corporate news that drove the session.
Earnings were mixed. Alphabet reported second quarter results that beat estimates, driven by surging cloud revenue and increased usage of their Gemini AI model. The stock saw significant upside following the report.
Alphabet's strength versus Tesla's margin compression highlights the split in megacap tech. Now, let's turn to the macro picture. Macro data remains steady. The Fed funds rate stands at 3.63% as of July 21st. The 2-year Treasury yield is at 4.26%, and the 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.63%. The yield curve, measured by the 10-year minus 2-year spread, is at plus 0.36 percentage points. Inflation remains sticky, and the dollar is holding strength. Risk signals are on the radar.
Geopolitical risk is elevated. Reports indicate another tanker was struck in the Red Sea, keeping markets on edge. This has pushed oil higher and contributed to the extreme fear reading in crypto sentiment at 14 out of 100.
A quiet VIX masks underlying geopolitical tension. Let's look at what's coming next.
Here is what to watch. First, dollar-yen. With the dollar strengthening and geopolitical tensions rising, watch for carry trade unwinding. The policy divergence between the US and Japan will be key.
If you're finding value in this analysis, support the project at patreon.com/ShadowQuant. Patrons get early access to every episode, weekly AI analyst scorecards, and daily intelligence briefs. And if you're listening on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or YouTube, hit that follow button and leave a rating. It helps more traders discover the show. We appreciate you. This is an AI-generated market briefing by ShadowQuant. All information is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That wraps up this edition of ShadowQuant Market Brief. Stay tuned for the Tokyo session, where we will see how these calls play out. Until then, trade safe.